Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tackle a common issue many of you might be facing with the first Descendant frequent crashes. Let's dive into some easy fixes to get you back into the game. The first Descendant is a visually stunning looter shooter, but it can be frustrating when it crashes. This issue often arises due to insufficient system resources, outdated drivers, or corrupted game files. Let's explore how to resolve this problem. First, ensure that no unnecessary programs are running into the background. Open Task Manager and end any resource intensive tasks. This will free up more resources for the game. Sometimes the game needs administrative right to run smoothly. Right click on the game executable and select the run as administrator to give the unnecessary permission. Corrupted game files can cause crashes. Open Steam, go to your library, right click on the first Descendant, select the properties and then installed files and click the verify integrity the game files. Lowering the game setting can also help. Launch the game, go to the options and reduce setting by like texture, shadow quality and the global illumination to low. Outdated GPU drivers can lead to crashes. Open Device Manager, find your graphics card, right click and select updated driver. Follow the prompts to reinstall the latest version. Lastly, reinstall the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable can resolve any issues related to the corrupted files. Download the latest version from the Microsoft website and install it. And there you have it. These fixes should help to resolve the fast descending crashes issue. If you found this video helpful, please like, comments and subscribe for more tech related problem solving content. Thanks for watching.